Alright, this is my first LeetCode of the year, and although it says 5 here, probably the first one I've done in about 2 years, and the first one I've done properly. So let's start with an easy one, and I'll just pick a random one, and we'll see how we go. Alright. I don't know what the difference is. Let me get a timer on my phone. Alright, are we ready to go? Alright. Reverse only letters. Given a string S, reverse the string according to the following rules. All the characters that are not English letters remain in the same position. All the English letters should be reversed. Return S after reversing it. Alright, A, B, C, D. So you want to reverse A, B, C, D, but not that one. C, D. Yep, same with that one. Alrighty. Ooh, that's exactly what we wanted. I was gonna ask how can we tell if a character is an English letter? But we've been told. Oh wait, no, that's not what I've asked. But we can work it out. We can use ASCII values. I'm not sure which the letters off by memory, but we can just test it, I suppose. Alright, I'm trying to think. So we need a way to reverse certain. Okay, you can tell this is my first LeetCode because I'm a bit confused, not confused, but you know. I can't even think how to reverse a normal string. So maybe we should try that first. Okay, to not go straight into coding, I'll try to think of the algorithm myself first, just for good practice. Okay, so reverse normal string. How do you even do that? Good question. Oh Lord, I am in a bit of trouble. I definitely need the practice here. So I probably have to loop. I'd assume you have to loop over the string. I'll just do string length for now. So for each character, sort of. Oh, actually, I'll just do for each character of the string. We'll just call it S, actually. You want to get the first one to the end, pretty much, but you don't want to lose the end one when you replace it. So you might use a temp, maybe. Temp. Maybe the last one. Might be -1. Maybe. So it just pops up at that. I think that's, might be right. Might be -1, might not be -1. I'm pretty sure it is. This is me learning. You guys probably know how to do this, but this is just my process for my pretty much first ever LeetCode. And then, so that's the last one. So then we want this length minus 1 minus I to equal s to I, and s to I equals temp. I think that would work. Let's just test that. I guess we can just pretty much copy and paste that. I think that should work. If we run that, it's not going to give us the correct answer, but it should. Oh yeah, of course, must return the string. You can just see if that returns not the correct answer, but the whole reverse. Oh no, not even a bit. What? Why has that happened? Oh yes, we don't go the whole way. Otherwise, I think we end up repeating the process. Oh, I've changed the wrong one there, haven't I? Yep. Oops. Bit of trial and error now. Alright. So that seems to have worked there. Perfect. So we know how to return a normal, reverse a full string. But now, do we just, let me just write down some thoughts. Just spew some thoughts out onto the page and see what makes sense. Could we just add a condition to not swap? Let's say swap. Oh yeah, I think that's a swap function I could have used, but I think that's should be alright. Should be okay. Hopefully. I don't want to overcomplicate it. We can always come back and make it better later. But could we just add a condition to not swap certain ASCII values back? Well, we need to know which ASCII values are letters. I'm trying to think if there's a way to do it without just testing. We could do convert maybe. Oh wait, would that work? Because well, that's confusing, man. Because if it's just to not swap set ASCII values, then for say this case, you get up to that dash, and with this condition, you wouldn't swap that, so you wouldn't swap I there. But then, how do you get I anywhere? Looks like I goes to the next one there. That is a good question. Oh dear. So we may need a different method. So it looks like we swap the first one from the left we see with the first one from the right we see. And then we swap the second one from the left we see with the second one from the right we see. The second letter. The second English letter. And the same with that. So, okay, let's write that down. Swap the first letter we see from each side. We'll just add So iterate from both ends of the string until we reach a letter. Swap the two letters. Wait. Until we reach a letter on sides. I want that to be confusing. Yeah. Iterate one by one from both sides, both ends. So just because we've got a letter there doesn't mean we've got a letter there yet, and just because we have to go on the second one there, oops, doesn't mean we have to go there yet. We stay with T and Q, and we swap the two letters. That should be it. That, but do we go just a halfway? Good question. Let me think. Do we go half to halfway? So we've got A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So half would be about the sixth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I counted that. Why can't my brain just click with this one? I don't know if we do go halfway. We could remove non-English letters first. Yes. Could remove non-English letters first. Reverse the string and insert. Ah, no. Only problem is we have to remember the non-English characters are. Now that is a good question. I don't think that's an optimal solution, because we have to remember where the non-English letters are in the original string. I suppose we could just make a copy, and that's still constant time, can't be constant space. Oops. Code of the original string. Still constant time space. I think I might delve further into this idea. So what I would think to do would be copy S, remove non-English characters from S, reverse S, and then hopefully you can't hear my dog barking at the moment, sorry about that. Reverse S, and then we want to compare S to original, copy of S, adding non-English characters. Or maybe no, because then you have to insert them. Wait. Let me think. No, yes. Might be easy just to do from the copy of this, reverse copy of this, and then compare S to the copy of S, adding non-English letters. Actually, not adding anything for each English letter of S. Add the next. Hold up. No. Yes. Add the next. No. Replace it with the next letter in S. Skip. English. Now I think that should work. But what is the time complexity? Time complexity. Okay, so we have to copy it, which is already big of N just to copy it, I believe. Remove non-English characters from the copy. That will take big of N. So you have to go across all of that. Reversing it, I think takes big of N as well. It's not looking like a super optimal solution so far. And then compare it, and that'll be the same thing. Big of N, yeah, so it looks like big of N, N equals the size of S. Probably not the best, but it's not horrible, especially since the length is only 100. I need to copy one copy. Oh no, that is big of N, is it? Why do I think that's big of 1? That's big of 1. Operations. Okay, that's not the best, but it's a place to start. Although we could try thinking where we could do better. Oh, there's definitely a way to just do it like that. But I think we should, since it's our first LeetCode, my first LeetCode, I reckon, do this approach first, and then we can come back after. It's already been almost 18 minutes, and normally we'd want to get an easy one done in about 10 minutes apparently, so it's not great, but it's my first one, so it's not the worst in the world. Alright, let's just swap these. Okay, so we want a copy string copy S equals S, and now for I equals 0, I is less than copy S to length I plus plus. Yeah, oh no, to remove one, even is there an operation just to remove it and not empty it? Maybe. Oh wait, no. No, I don't think you do have to. You could skip that step, I think. I think you could just skip that step. So just remove it. Oh, I just deleted my remove thing, but let's see what I can remember it. Temp equals copy S. I, and then you do copy S. S5 equals temp. That should reverse it. Again, let's just double check that. But same thing as before. I should just have the same output here again. If that's right, nope. Yeah. Oops. Of course, that's a silly thing to forget. Ooh, what have I done? Yeah, divided by half of it again. Alright, so now what we've got copy S, which has got all the letters in the rest order. So now we can go over the whole thing in the original string, and then so pretty much if s.I is an English character, then yes it is. Next. Oh, sorry. So this next letter index will just keep track of which is the next letter in the copy of S. So we iterate over the original string S, and for each letter, if it's an English letter, then we set it to be S, copy S, next letter next, and then you just do next letter next plus, and I believe that should all work. But now the only issue is, how do we know if a letter is English? Is an English letter? So it's going to be within this range somewhere. So we could do if si is greater than or equal to, I think, does that come first? Oh no, I know this is tricky. You gotta do +1 or +0 or something, but we'll just do that for now. And si is less than z. We can just copy don't believe this is right. It will probably come up with an error, but I think you just do +0 or something. We'll just see if this works. I don't think it will. No. But why not? What happens if we just get rid of that? And that works for all of them. Yes, so that just replaces S with S, fair enough. I haven't, it happens if I think I saw that somewhere. I'm not sure. Might be wrong. Okay, now I'm a bit confused. Might have to just do some testing. Okay, so what if we just do return a, but make it return an int. Well, we never get to that, bro. Or maybe we can't test it like that. Okay. Let me think. What if we do return? Oh, I'm just a bit confused. Would that work? No. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. I have no idea if that would work or not. Oh, I'm a bit stuck at the moment. A bit stuck. So how do we test against ASCII values? Alright, good lord, good lordy lord, I'm not bloody sure. What happens if I do this? Hold up. That's good. That's good. Do absolutely nothing. This probably just makes me look dumb. I'm just running whatever I can around at the moment. Wait, now what am I doing? I've got a better way to test. Test the first two. I don't know if I need this, but if we do it should just come out with each thingy. Ah, it's because that's not even bloody in the thing. That should come out the dash. Right, okay, so what if you did that plus that? No, that's just going to be dash 0. Oh, ooh, there we go. There we got something. Alright. Maybe that's... What is... Oops, no, not that. A. Ah, man, now we get... Maybe it's just 0 plus that. I can't remember what A is. Is it 97? It could be. Let's try that. Just see what they both are. We do it like this. What? How does that bloody work? What happens if you do that? Oh, that's different. What's outside of the frickin' thing there? What? What's outside of that? Maybe minus it. So we've got A equals 49, so if you do like that. That should come out with A, right? Nope, it comes out with bloody 1. What the heck, man? I'm so confused. That won't work. No. What is that 1? There's something. I don't know why we need the O's. Maybe that just makes it automatically compare. Anyway, we've got something. We've got something. Oops. Z. Why have we got Z equals freaking 42 there? What? Oh, yes. Whoopsies. I'm so stuck. Can't be doing this in interview, that is for sure. No, I have a better idea. If I equals 33, R is less than freaking 122, R is plus. What would it be? I don't think that's gonna work, but we'll bloody try. So I lost some grasping for bloody anything. Alright. Oh, that makes a bit more sense. That's annoying. What, so we've got A starts at 65. I assume the non-capital ones would start, to be honest. Z equals 90. A equals 97. And so Z equals 122. Ooh, that looks bloody lovely. So now it's no. If this should work for everyone except those ones. But we'll just see if it works. Oh, oops. That do. No, and it looks like it doesn't work. Oh no. Well, we can do this while we wait. So it's maybe that'll work. No. Oh dear. Man. What seems to be the issue, officer? I do that? Does it? Oh wait. Does it never work? Oh, that's bloody. That makes bloody sense. Because it can't be birthed, can it? Silly. Come on, no, what the heck is that? Why has it done that? Why has that done that? Why has it got the dash there? Why have you got multiple ones of it? Pretty much just need that if s. I already want to give up, but I can't. Let's just do testing just to figure out where we're going wrong. This is probably a pain to watch, and there's probably no one watching. It's true 4 times, and it should be true 4 times. Yes. I keep having ideas, but I just want to get one thing done first. True, true, false, true, true. That looks like it's working. There's true, true, false, true, true. This one should go true, false, true, true, false, triple true, false, quadru. Oh, that works. So it looks like our problem is somewhere else. This should be 4 truths and a false, 2 truths and a false, 4 truths and a false, 4 truths and a false, and a truth and a false. Oh, it works. Okay, good. That bloody works. So my mistake is somewhere else. Where could it possibly be? I reckon it's in the next letter index. I reckon that is where I'm going wrong. Actually, no, before we think about that. Oh yeah, of course it is. I forgot this still has those in. Oh wait, no. I don't think I even need that. Hold up. No, never mind. Oh god. Darn it, man. This is not going well. Not good. We have to go through that one and swap little letters of that one. Yeah, you know what? Maybe it's easier just to do that. To make a new string. thing. I'm sure there's a better way, but if we just do a new string, copy s English. Oh, I don't have a bloody append anything. I don't have a pen. If this letter copy s is a letter, then we do I don't know if this is even a bloody thing. I'm not sure if that's a function we can use. Ooh, looks like it might be. And we do that thing again. Just call it index for now. I can bloody change it after. This is not good practice, but if this was a real interview, I would have already been kicked out of the bloody building. Please work. Please work, man. No. Oh, because it's not copy s. It's copy s English. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh my goodness. I've got a freaking thing. How long was that? 42:15. First accept answer. That is the worst freaking solution I've ever seen. Let's just tidy it up. Oh, it's my first lecture, so you can't. It's not worse than a word. So. A copy of S and remove all non-English letters. Up, reverse. Reverse. Remove all non-English letters from the copy. No. New string which is all from the reversed copy. Now iterate over S and for each English letter swap it with the next in copy s English. What a horrible solution. Horrible solution. But I mean, if it works, it works. In 0 milliseconds, which totally counts. Now, can we do any better? I don't know if my brain can handle it. It's my first LeetCode. There's definitely a way to do it in like one loop. Maybe with like 2 pointers or something. Just go in from the end. Ooh, hold up. My brain is braining. Let's just think of that. 2 pointers. Iterate in from each end into both pointers. That's a list. So, okay. Let me try and draw an example. Why is it? What? And I make a bloody new thing. There we go. Ah, good lord. I don't really use paint. So, say we've got a C dash for H. My brain keeps trying to make me write numbers to count as English letters, but no. So we've got this. No, that's too symmetrical. Hold up. No, we can't do the same. Hold up. Do an E. So we've got 2 pointers. They both start at the end. Oh, this isn't a very good example. Oh man. Well, let's just say we're looking at the non-English letters, and so I can use this example. We go, okay, no, they're not there. So we can move them both one in. And then we look at the left one, not there, so we put one in. Ooh, there's one, but there's not one there. So let's move that one in. Ooh, not one there. So we go there. Just pretend that's the opposite. I think that's right. That was horrible, that was useless. I know, that hasn't helped anyone. Barely helped me. Alright, and then swap them. Right. Swap the 2 letters. Continue? I think that's right. Is that it? The question is, when do you continue? Because you might not meet the halfway. We don't want them to swap over. Continue until the 2 pointers. If I submit this, can I go back and change it? Maybe. Well, I'll submit it and then I'll try this 2-pointer method, which is just button. Yeah, it beats bloody no one. Is that a new solution? Does that mean I can do a new solution? No, I only don't want to submit that. No one wants to see that. Alright. Oh, what? Oh, come on, man. Or is that just the same thing? I reckon that's fine. So, we want these 2 pointers. I haven't done a 2 pointers solution before. I don't know how to do a 2 pointer solution. Is that the way? You start with a loop? They can't be nested loops because they have to go one by one. Maybe yes, int. Oh yeah, int L. And then you do if oh man. Well, we can do this, It's only been 50 minutes. It took me 40 minutes to get the solution. A horrible solution to an easy question. I've got a lot to learn. Alright, so let's think. Anyway, hold on. I should work out the complexity of this before trying it. I think time complexity should be think it's just O then. You just have to iterate over them all once. I don't think there's any way around that. No, it can't be. There's no way. No way there's a way around doing that. Space complexity though is constant. So it's better than this horrid solution. Now you do if SL should do that, shouldn't I? Ooh, is English just get that code I had earlier. I'm not gonna lose this if I click this, right? Pretty much. Yeah. True. That should work. Oops. Wait. Oh, I'm so bad at this. Wow. It's not doing this one. We just have to do that. Which fine is the first one. Let's put this in a different loop though. But I don't know what you put that in there though. So just double check that little thing finds the next one. Should oh, I forgot. Whoops. Oh, brother. Calm down. I'm just trying to test it, man. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm so dumb. I'm just trying to test this little thing. My brain's already fried from a freaking easy question. Why has it done that? Because there's no to check, because I'm a freaking idiot. I feel like this should definitely work. Crap. A, no. Why is that one A as well? Because I haven't bloody said it as anything. Gets +1. No. No, wait. No, it should be +1. Should it? Maybe not. Should it? Oh, apparently not. What the frick is that? No, apparently it should not be +1. Why do I think it should be? Because that has length 5. Oh, I'm an idiot. Wait, what? Should be -1. Am I dumb? I don't really know which one it is. Can't even, my brain doesn't even want to work. So if you don't like that, that's too long. The length is 6, but now yes, because it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it's 1. It's 1. Oh yeah, that's why that was +1, because my bloody brain got mixed up. Good lord, I've got no hope until you, do I? Absolutely not. Anyway, yes. And then swap. We have to put that all in a loop pretty much. How do we know when it's freaking finished? Maybe it's something like that. Maybe it's something, well, that. It's less than that. Could be right. Looks right to me. I'm not sure what library I need to swap it. Actually, no, before I do that, see if that works. Ooh, it's going slow, which means I think I'm stuck in an infinite loop. Do it again. Oh god, I'm so bad at this. Ooh, there's something. ADBC, that looks funny, right? AJP. Oh, this looks promising. This looks very promising. This looks really good. Really, really good. Really good. Oh, this looks. Oh, that looks bloody lovely. Yeah, I don't know what library it is to swap it. I haven't used LeetCode properly before. I doubt this is gonna work. But if you just do that, what happens? You can't do that, bro. Oh my god, I'm a freaking genius. There's no way there's a better solution. Alright. Good lord. No freaking way. I'm a genius. I'm submitting that. There's no way there's a better solution than that. What? What have I done? It's definitely that somewhere. Oh no, I should test that again, shouldn't I? Maybe. What's the word? Break. Maybe that's right. No, other way around. Why is my shift key? Okay. Ooh. Oh dear. Yeah, is that better? Probably should do that first. Let's submit that. What? What's the problem? What seems to be the problem, officer? Is it this thing? A bit confused. Oops. I guess you can't really submit it if it's wrong. I feel like the swap thing's a bit dodgy. If you make a swap. So Wait, no, that's not gonna work. Why does that not work? It looks like it does look a bit messy, so I'm not sure what the issue is. Is it a do while loop? No. Oh, I can't remember what the difference is, how to use it. Do that while that. You do that first and then you check it. No. I think that's what we're looking for. Okay, so when would this mess up? I think it would mess up. Let's get bloody paint back open, eh? God, let me freaking grab the corner. I think this mess up. See if we were A, B, C. Go there. Go there. Swap them around, and then plus that, now that, so we would jump. Okay, so why doesn't that work? Where are we stuck? Maybe it's this swap thing. I'll just bloody do that. S to L, S to R, S to L, S. Is that gonna work? Yes, is it gonna submit? Probably not. Why is there an overflow? Why are we overflowing? I don't know what that probably means. 5 out of 50. Oh, it's not very good. Well, so is that what we used last time? Ah, it's your eye. Let's just. So that looks like that's when it messed up. So we start there, putting in that one and that one. It's not on. Oh, it's when there's no. No, is it? What would happen? Well, there's no number there, so we would go to the next one. And same with that one. And then we would go to that one. And same with that one. And then it'd swap. But surely it breaks there, right? Are you in your own test case? Oh, I can. So if I put it. Ooh, it does. Well, there's no letters in there. Something screws it. Ooh, it's because we get stuck there. Alright. We get stuck in these while loops. Might be able to do something like that. Oops. Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Is that all I need? I don't know. Trial and error. Always the way. That looks a lot better. some stuff we can change, but let me just make sure it works. Oh, let's bloody go. Oops. Actually, I should write this one in 3 minutes ago. What do you mean 3 minutes ago? What's that? It's 42. 15. That's the bloody one I'm happy about. Look at that. Beats no one. Why is it slower? What? How does the old one beat more with memory? Oh, there's definitely something wrong here then. I'm not very happy with this. Let me fix that. While I use square brackets. Oh, just looking at this code, I'm not sure if this is the best way of doing this. How does it use more memory than that horrible solution? And how is it slower? So you start on both ends. I think there's something wrong with this little bit with these while. Like I've got a while there and I have to check it again for some reason, which is a bit silly, I think. I almost want to just look at the answer and give up. There's got to be something I'm missing, right? So the left is on the left of the right. Man, how's it slower? Can I make another test case or change this one? What's a good test case? Like a really long one. That doesn't help to me. Why have I done that? Because it's slower and takes more memory. The first one, you have to copy it, you have to copy it again, and then you have to check what everything is. Maybe it's just because the values are small. But how does it? When it says beat 9.3, it's bad, right? You're gonna beat more. You're gonna beat more. I think I might look at the solutions now, see what I've done wrong. I have no idea why this is slower and takes more memory. Oh, I'm dumb. But you know. Oh, excuse me. But you know. It is very plausible. Well, not happy. Let's look at this bloody solutions. Right, editorial stack of. Actually, yeah. stack of letters. What does that bloody mean? Collect S separately onto a stack. Ooh, that's a good bloody idea. That's what I did. Oh, I bloody did it fast. Let's bloody do it. Reverse point. Ooh, is that sort of what I did? Ooh, 2-pointer. Ooh, that's what I did. But a bit different. Oh, yeah, that's kind of what I did. It's alpha, yeah. Ooh, maybe it's not a wow. Oh, that looks like, oh, looks a bit better than what mine is. Just from that if, not a wow. Yes, that looks better. What if I change? So it's not end that, because then you're going to double check the while loop halfway through. The while condition halfway through, which is a bit silly. Does it do else if maybe. Put that there. That's a lot better. Time limit exceeded. Oh, that means I get stuck. I forgot to do that. What are the replies? Where did this person have that? Who are you responding to? Why is the order go oldest at the bottom? I can't read that, buddy. Let's look at my submissions. Which one is faster? This one. Oh, this is a bit faster. Please. Oh, that's a lot better. Yeah, the only difference is my while. So that's a lot slower. Why is that a lot slower? I guess you just have to keep going over it. That's a bit better. What does this one actually mean? You do while the left is less, is, you know, before the right pointer. If the left one's not English, you know, add one. If it is English and the right one's not English, put the right one back a bit. If they're both English, then you swap them. Ah, yeah, that's pretty good. A lot better than my solution was. Who did I get that from? Oh no, I've lost it. Artpool, thank you, Artpool, for that. Ooh. Yeah, isn't MySpace complexity one? Yeah. Oh, I beat it. I beat the freaking editorial. Right, let's bloody go. Let's bloody go. Mutable. I'm guessing that means you can change the string. Is it right? Yeah. Oops. Okay, let's just look at the. How do you look at the best? Misfits? Ooh, this is a bit different. Oh, it's pretty much the same thing there. Oh yeah, it's the same. Oh, that's alright, right. Different kind of loop there. Nice. Oh, beat the bloody editorial myself. Oh, it is an easy problem. I shouldn't be too happy. I think I'm done. I think I'm done with that. Ooh. Well, that was an embarrassing first LeetCode, first video, whatever. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I'm sure you definitely didn't. That's really more painful watching than it was solving this. But you know, it was my first LeetCode, first problem, and I solved it in only 42 minutes for an easy question. Wowee! But I did beat the editorial solution, so you know, I'm pretty good. Can't be that bad, right? Alright, well, thank you for watching this horrible thing. I'm supposed to do 10 a week, so there'll be a lot of new videos on this channel coming soon. So, you know, if you enjoyed this one, you know, leave some feedback, leave some comments. There'll probably be a lot of feedback. I mean, a lot of things I can improve, so, you know, just let me know and I'll try to do my best. Thank you for watching, you know, subscribe, do all that shit. Alright, thank you. See ya.